What is up? My name is Chelsea and this is my very first YouTube video. Sorry if the quality is not as good as the other guys. However, I just want to share something that I find it really interesting and fun. And today's topic is actually Krea's new feature, turning images into 3D. So you can manipulate it and then generate an image in real time. So let's take a quick look. To get to the tool, you simply need to type in krea.ai and it will take you to this beautiful landing page. Honestly, as a product designer, I am very pleased with this design, very clean, and then it tells me exactly what I need to know, which is where are the tools? What are the tools for, etc. If you hover on top of it, I love these little animation, just tells you exactly what it does. I would highly encourage you to check out other tools. Some of them actually allow you to use other models, for example, Runway, Clean, to do all kinds of different things. But today I am going to focus on this real-time instant AI generation tool. So once you click in there, you will see this very interesting shapes. Just to give you an idea what this is all about, you can actually change these shape, and as you're changing, the AI will interpret it in real time. So right now, it seems like it's not doing anything because I have my AI strength cranked all the way up. Oh, actually, I take it back. It's just doing really, really slowly because of my Wi-Fi issue. So once I change it, as you can see on the right side, the whale also changes its shape, and then suddenly there's this beautiful moon behind it. And if I crank down this AI strength all the way down here, you will start seeing the shapes appearing again. So it is telling you that if we're changing this to higher, AI will actually look at your prompt more closely. If we reduce it, it will actually look at the images on the left side panel a little bit more closely. So now I want to experiment with this one tool, which is turning an image into a 3D object so you can manipulate it around. So let's try it out. I actually quite like this moon in the background, so I'm going to keep it for now. And then I'm going to delete this square. And then as you can see on the right side, there's a whale, but the whale kind of looks a bit strange, right? So let's introduce an actual whale into the scene. So here, let me upload the picture of a whale. So I already downloaded a couple of whale picture. I actually really like this one. Once I have this image inside, AI should slowly see the image and then trying to change it. You will start seeing the picture changing as well on the right side. So here, as you can see, there's a really ugly background. I'm just going to right click, remove background, so we don't have that ugly background in there. And as you can see, wow, look, the whale looks a lot better in this scene. However, I really don't like how the whale is pointing toward the left side of my screen, so I'm going to change it. Convert to 3D. It is converting right now. Going to wait for a while. And it should be able to make this whale into a 3-dimensional object that you can rotate around and set your angle if you want to. Okay, there we go. Okay, let's delete this whale and let's check this out. Oh my gosh, look at this. It actually captured the entire whale. How did it know? Really, how did it know? That's crazy. Yeah, so look at that. That's beautiful. That's just mind-blowing. I am totally blown away. Now I want to make the whale to face this way toward the right. So it looks like it's going to flow through the forest. So AI is calculating, it's trying to see where the head is at, where the tail is at. It seems promising. It seems promising. All right. Wow, look at this. This is absolutely amazing. Although it doesn't really look exactly the same. However, it does create something that is what I wanted to see. Wow, imagine the possibility of having this tool helping you to create anything you want. This is crazy. As someone who has done a lot of mixed reality, 3D sculpting, drawing, and all kinds of different other type of art form, this is a new way of creating. Honestly, I am so excited and I'm going to experiment a lot more. Part of the reason why I am making this YouTube video is that I want to share some of my insights and discoveries in my AI journey as an artist. And hopefully one day it will help you to externalize some of the things that you have in your mind to find that inner artist within you. This is just the beginning, and I will show more of the stuff that I've learned throughout my AI journey as an artist. See you next time. Peace.